Welcome to my channel. My name is Wendy Shenarigan, and we're here to talk about travel, DIY, and lifestyle. And if that's something that you would enjoy, please continue to like, comment, and subscribe. Today, we're going to talk about some things that I want to do, my goals for my home in 2024. I know we talk a lot about travel in these last few videos, but even when I'm not traveling, I am right here. And so a lot of you have asked for some more DIY videos, and they are coming up. So I'm going to take you on a trip around my home to show you exactly what my goals are for 2024. I'm hoping that I am able to achieve all of them. All depends on my husband's availability and money. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm always doing voiceovers. So this morning I was like, you know what? I think I am just going to talk as I record. So this is my breakfast nook area. This is normally where we sit if we have a more formal dinner. And yes, I said formal. And then look at this. I've had this set for, I would say about 17 years. And it's taken its course. So I think you've already seen the video of how we upgraded this area. This was not a bench area, but there is absolutely nothing over here. This is the only part on the first floor where we have to do kind of like a more of a major overhaul. You can see there's just, you know, when you get up close, you can kind of see it. Now, could we kind of redo it ourselves? We probably could, but I don't know. I feel like I just need a whole new vibe over here. So we used to have a plant right here, so it was filling in that space, but I just don't like it. I've also toyed with the fact of putting curtains here, but I kind of like the openness. But this is one area where we're going to be doing something over here. I know we're going to probably buy a new dining room set and buy some decor. So I don't know if this is DIY or more of, hey, we need to buy some more furniture. So this is one project. Let's go to the next. All right, downstairs bathroom. We need to upgrade our toilet. My husband said that the toilet is actually, I don't know if it's a half inch or something, the spout, or I don't know what you call it, but anyway, it's too small for the water and all of it that is in the water to go down. So it causes it to clog up a little bit. So we're going to buy an enhanced or upgraded toilet. I don't think I'm going to do a video on that unless it's kind of like one of those fancy toilets. On to the next. So here is my third DIY project. I hate the steps and the rails. They've got to go. The rails, they do not match the floor. So we definitely need to do something to put the light on for you all. It'll be a little bit better. Much better too. Okay. It's a gloomy day outside, so y'all bear with me. So this, I don't like it. It's no matter how much we wash it, it's just time. We bought the house and we wanted to be able to adjust it or change it out, and I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like this being white. I don't like this being a different color. So this will be a different project. Coming up the steps, you will see that we have two tones for our wall. Did a video on this as well. So we never finished. We never finished putting up the decor for the wall. Wanted to make some I don't know, just make it two-dimensional instead of one-dimensional, but we never finished. So what I do love about this, my husband's really good. Each side is equal on each side. The height of the blue versus, or the thickness of the blue versus the thickness of the tan. So once we put the decor on the wall and accents on the wall, this is going to make it look so much better. Right now, it's just like, why do they put two colors on the wall? No, not doing that. And then the next DIY, and as you can see, this is the reason why I want a new carpet up here. This is the reason why. Next one, I am not going up there because it is literally in the teens, but we will be finishing our attic. We did a video, or I did a video on the attic before, so you can go back to my previous videos so you can see. So that is it. Not going in the basement because the basement's done. That is his area. And then look at this right here. So you can see downstairs, that's my office, that's his office. But then when you look up, you see this witch looking, I don't know, I don't like it. I don't like it. So this will be a different project. I've already started looking for something to put here. And I do want to paint up here as well. I do not like the cream color walls. And of course, put something on that side. Now, my youngest, when I told him, and we told him, if you throw anything over there, it's there until Christmas, because we are not going up there. Only time we go up there is for Christmas. So that's why those balls are there. But yep, those are our projects for 2024. And now that I'm looking at this, if we're going to change the railing and the colors of the steps downstairs, we're going to have to change this one too, so it can match. See, this just doesn't even match. We're getting there. We're getting there. So those are our projects for 2024. I don't think we're going to get through all of them, but what I do know is we're definitely going to change that toilet. What I do know is they're going to start on the basement, or he's going to start on the basement. And what I do know is we're definitely going to get a new dining room set. So if you like this type of content, and if you want to continue with the journey with us, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And peace. I put this movie on 'cause I know that's what you wanted. You vowed to not get mad.